All right, guys. So I wanted to make a quick video for you. As I was going through a few estimates for projects, I realized that there's kind of a stigma behind using OCR to process invoices, and so I wanted to kind of show you what I've done that I've noticed, and see if maybe it'll help you. Because a lot of times when people are processing invoices, the stigma is that they have to be formatted exactly the same for OCR to be able to read them. And there's some truth behind it, but when you integrate things such as AI with your OCR document processing, your capabilities are extended substantially, and a lot of people aren't realizing that. So what we have here are just 4 different invoices. You can see things are formatted like the invoice numbers up here, invoice numbers over here, invoice numbers somewhere on here as well, right there. And then invoice right here. So they're all formatted differently. The purpose of this is to show you that we've had the ability to actually locate all the elements we're looking for, regardless of how the document is formatted. And over time, it will continue to get better as well because it's learning. But what this is going to do is it's going to pull up a window that will show us the elements we're looking for and the accuracy to which it believes this is the element and this is the number or text associated with that element. So let's see what we have for our first invoice. So to start, it is processing right here. It's verifying that it's an invoice versus a receipt. So yes, with 56% confidence, but you can obviously see that. So the invoice number 1004. Okay, so that's accurate. And so when we click this button, this is an optional parameter, but it's helping it learn. It's telling it that it's right. Although it was at 93 now, it hopefully will be better next time. But invoice date, so 6/8/2021 right here. Okay, so we'll check that because it's accurate. Total 1300. Yep, so we're 3 for 3 there. Let's see what the next one brings up. Let's see. Okay, so again, invoices. So I was able to verify this is an invoice. The number 1004 again. Date 6/8/2021. I really should have changed these dates. Okay, totals 2100. Okay, so we verified that all these are accurate as well. So let's move to the next. As you can see, that was formatted differently, but we still were able to grab all the information we needed off of it. Let's see what the next one brings up. Okay, so invoice, verifying, good. Oh, there we go. And then invoice number, so 1004. And as you can see, so notice here how it's placed above, but we're still able to grab it. Not sure exactly how we're doing it, to be honest. That's really beyond like my understanding, but I know that it's being done to a very high degree of accuracy. So invoice date 6/8/2021. Okay, we're good there. The total 700, so we're grabbing right here from the total due. So the reason it's not grabbing down here the amount, it's looking for keywords, and so numbers, text associated around those keywords is what I would assume, but as you can see, it's the same number, and this can be adjusted for as well if needed. So save those. So far, everything's been accurate so far. Let's see what the last one brings up for us. So we're verifying invoices. Okay, good. Invoice number is going to be 1004. Invoice date 6/8/2021, and then the invoice total is going to be 1250. So you'll notice here actually it says please pay instead of a total or anything like that, but we're still able to associate that with the final bill. So, it actually may not just be the text associated with it. This is where the machine learning comes into play of, consistently seeing different scenarios of text that would make someone think that this is the final payment that needs to be made. So as you can see, it's accurate as well. These are all fairly high accuracy, 84, 83, and then you can't see this here because of the video, but in the 80s as well. So yeah, and over time, again, this will get better. But if you have any questions on it or, any concerns, anything you really just want to know more about, feel free to reach out to me. Thanks.